Hello everyone, welcome back in a video. In this video I'll show you how to remove author and post date from the WordPress post. So let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard and hover on plugins, click on add plugin. Search here WP meta and date remover. This is the plugin and we have to install it, so click on install now, activate it. And this is the plugin settings page. If you hover on settings, then you can see this is the plugin settings page. If you go to the plugin install page, then this is the plugin and settings page is showing here as well. If you click here settings, you will be redirect in this page. This is the plugin settings page, and just scroll down. You can see CSS based removal. Before activating these settings, let's check the present scenario of the post. So just refresh this page. Right now author and date is showing. We want to remove author and date from here. So again go to the plugin settings and CSS based removal, click and enable it, then scroll down and save changes. Refresh the page. The author and date has been removed from here. Then again go to the settings page and enable it. Then you can see remove date and author from here as well. So author, remove date, save changes, and yes, author is showing. Then again remove author, save changes, author has been removed. You can see by is showing, so I want to remove it from here. Then again go to the settings page and enable it, CSS based removal, then save changes. Refresh the page. Yes, completely it has been removed. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos on WordPress.